Today, we're delving into the fundamental concepts of artificial intelligence and machine learning. At its core, artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. This includes learning, problem-solving, decision-making, and more. AI applications are widespread, from robotics mimicking human actions to chatbots engaging in conversations and even self-driving cars navigating roads autonomously. These diverse applications showcase the versatility of AI technology. Machine learning is a subset of AI that enables machines to learn from data without explicit programming. Instead of being explicitly programmed to perform a task, these systems learn and improve from experience. There are different types of machine learning approaches: supervised learning, where algorithms are trained on labeled data; unsupervised learning, where patterns are identified in unlabeled data; and reinforcement learning, which learns through trial and error. The process of machine learning involves several stages. It starts with data collection, where relevant and diverse data is gathered. Then comes training, where the algorithm learns patterns from this data. Following this is testing, evaluating the model's accuracy, and finally, deployment, where the trained model is put into action. Machine learning finds applications in various fields. For instance, in image recognition, it powers systems capable of identifying objects, faces, or even diseases in medical images. Additionally, natural language processing enables chatbots and virtual assistants to understand and respond to human language. Despite its potential, AI faces challenges such as bias in algorithms and ethical considerations. However, the future is promising, with AI poised to revolutionize industries, healthcare, and even societal infrastructure. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the basics of AI and machine learning. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insightful tech content